Hey guys, what's up? This is Brian from Flying Brian of Michigan. Just gonna show you my monstrosity of a project that I've been working on. This is my version of a homemade snow skateboard. You can get these on land yachts. They retail for about $500 to $600, give or take. But I didn't want to spend all of that money, so I went ahead and made one myself. So I started with this longboard deck. I got it off Facebook Marketplace, and this is I don't really do talking videos that much. I think this is like the first one I've done for this channel. So, anyways, I kind of want to turn these into GoPro mounts. This was a downhill long deck board, but once I took the trucks and wheels off of it, I knew I wasn't going to use it for its original purpose. Anyways, I'm getting off topic here. Longboard deck off Facebook Marketplace, and then I took two 2x4 pieces and I measured them out to the width of the ski, and I cut two of those and put them at the length of each of the sides of where the longboard was going to go. And once I did that, I took an old telemark ski and cut it to the size that I wanted. And I took a bunch of screws and literally just screwed it in at both ends. And then I also drilled holes in the bottom of the ski, and I sank them so I could actually cover them up with wax. I took this thing out New Year's Eve just to see how it would perform, and it actually did really, really well. I think I'm also going to add some straps here, some really cheap mountain board straps, and see if that would help a little bit. It is a little tippy at first. It's definitely a different sensation than being on a snowboard or a skateboard. It kind of combines both of those worlds together, obviously not having the straps, which I think I kind of want to put straps on here. Anyways, I think I didn't spend that much money building this. All you need is basically a drill and a saw, and maybe a metal saw to cut through the metal edge of the ski. Make sure that if you are going to go the route of the most lazy way possible to make this, make sure you have some sort of ski that's got a metal edge. I haven't tried this with a cross-country ski yet, but I just don't think it would work that well, in my opinion. But that's about as simple as it gets. And if you want to go the most lazy route possible, longboard deck, two pieces of 2x4, a ski, literally just drill through to the 2x4 on the top, drill through the ski to the 2x4 on the bottom, cover up the holes, make sure you sink the screws so that you have some room when you drill the screw in, that you can put wax over top of it to keep the surface of the ski relatively smooth so it still works. And that's all you got to do. All right, I'm going up to the Midwest SnowKite Jam in February. I'm hoping the weather is good up there for snow kiting and trying this thing out up there. I'll probably bring my wings up there too, which is primarily why I built this. I built this for snow winging, not for snow kiting. But I've been enjoying it so far. Got a short video of me testing this out. You can go and check that out at this channel as well. All right, take care, guys. Bye.